Hi, I'm Liam from White Rose Education. The White Rose math schemes have been written based on the English National Curriculum. Each year group has a yearly overview. This is essentially the long-term plan for the school year. Each block has been mapped out with the number of weeks it should take to teach. White Rose is a mastery-based curriculum. Therefore, many of the early blocks are number-focused. For example, in Year 2, place value and the 4 operations are the foundations which are built upon in length, height, mass and capacity. For this reason, it's important to take this into consideration when you're putting together your school's yearly overview. I've worked with schools who have fewer than 12 weeks in a term, or who have taken longer on some of the foundational building blocks. If, like these schools, having the full curriculum coverage is a challenge, then taking topics like time and statistics and teaching these either through other subjects like science and PE, or incorporating them into daily routines may enable full coverage. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.